So everyone, this evening I'm going to share about the punctuation. This is a small thing, but sometimes it is ignored by some writers. So that's why we can pay attention about the punctuation itself. Okay, so can you mention some punctuation that you have known before? What are they? Okay, so everyone can say, or you can write down on the chat, or just mention, just open your mic, turn on. Maybe Majid, Rindu, Andy. What are the punctuation that you have known before?
Like a commas?
Yes, that's commas. Okay, punctuation, commas. What else? What can we? That's commas.
Exclamation mark.
Yeah, okay. Exclamation mark, okay. And then period, semicolon, and so on and so on. Okay, so there are so many punctuation for our writing actually. But we can see what is that function, why we need to use that, why that punctuation is used for our sentence or our words. Okay, so in this session I will share some punctuations relate to our writing materials. Okay, so this is first, the punctuation is used to create sense, yeah, clarity and stress in sentence. It means, have you ever seen that the sentence without punctuation? Of course, it's strange, it's weird, and then it's impossible because we cannot stop our reading. Automatically, that will be not clear. So that's why punctuation is one of the clarity and stress in our sentence. You can use punctuation to mark the structure and to organize your writing. Okay, so also, like, actually not only punctuation but also capitalization. Yeah, that's related to our materials. Yeah, but in this case only punctuation. Okay, let's say capitalization, like our names, and then also the names of cities. Yeah, also the things that has the, what we call that, like specific, yeah, that we can use capitalization. Okay, this is some samples of punctuation. Yeah, let's say comma, semicolon, colon, full stop, and then apostrophe, question mark, exclamation mark, the hyphen, dash, stroke, also the square brackets, ellipsis, asterisk, yeah, and also double quote, and so many. So sometimes, as I know, yeah, everyone maybe just use, for example, full stop. Okay, or then maybe question mark, because we make a question, then we create question mark. Of course, but sometimes when we see the sentence, yeah, we didn't realize that our friends, sometimes when they send the text message, WhatsApp, yeah, they use any punctuation and then that can be different, of course, yeah. And then, for example, the statement, but they use question mark, yeah. Of course, this is not correct, yeah, if they just use sentence or not a question, but they use question mark. So you can pay attention for details, yeah, when your friend or maybe someone send you for example, text message or something like WhatsApp, yeah, so you can see the details. So punctuation is the signal or the system, yeah, the sign. For example, when we drive a car, yeah, of course, on the street we see there are some signs. For example, no parking, turn left, turn right, stop, traffic light, yeah, the yellow, green, red. So the function of the traffic signs to manage or to control the cars on the street. So of course, the punctuation, also the system of sign. It means that the punctuation is used to give the symbols, yeah, to construct and how the sentence should be read, yeah, because it will be danger if we don't use any comma. For example, I just give the simple sample. Majid eat chicken, yeah, but when we use different punctuation, it will be different sentence. Yeah, for example, Majid eat chicken. So it means there is comma after eats, for example. Or Majid eats chicken. So Majid is the name and eat chicken is the instruction. Yeah, it's like Majid eat chicken. So this is not the sentence, yeah, not the sentence, not the statement, but this is instruction. So that's why the punctuation can be given for your sentence, yeah, for your writing, and it depends on how you construct your sentence and how it should be read by the readers. Okay, sentences are the building block used to construct written accounts. Yeah, when we create a writing, essay, yeah, paragraph, of course, this is the building block. Yeah, as more sentence as you create, yeah, it means that there are more complete statement to be signed. Yeah. So punctuation will show how the sentence should be clear and how the sentence should be read by the audience or by the readers. So that's why when you try to build more sentence on your essay, so the punctuation should be given correctly and details. Yeah. Every sentence should include at least capital letter. Yeah, like I said before, yeah, punctuation relates to capitalization. Yeah, sometimes we also forget to put the capital letters, yeah, in the earlier or at the first and then full stop. Also like exclamation mark or question mark at the end. Yeah, sometimes. But the more you practice, I do believe that the punctuation can be given, yeah, can be written as your sign. So the more you practice, the more you understand how should we make our sentence clearer. So here are some functions of punctuation. Yeah. So the first I will show you. This is the sample of the sentence. Yeah. If we read this sentence, so you can see that the sentence doesn't have any punctuation. Yeah. Does it seem strange or weird? Yes, of course. Yeah. And also the word doesn't have any capital letters. Ya, ini I-nya I kecil misalnya ya. Terus di awal tidak menggunakan huruf besar dan sebagainya. Nah, maka akan aneh gitu terlihatnya ketika tidak ada sama sekali punctuation ya. Nah, maka kita benarkan dulu yang pertama capital letternya ya. Misalkan di sini ada please, perhaps ya, I, and then also some punctuation, comma, dash, exclamation mark, yeah, apostrophe, and many more. Yeah, for example, here I can give the sign. So perhaps you don't always need to use commas, periods, colons, etc. To make sentence clear, stop. When I'm in a hurry, comma, tired, cold, lazy, or angry, I sometimes leave out punctuation marks. Grammar stupid, I can write without it and don't need it. My uncle Harry once said he was not very clever, and I never understood a word he wrote to me. I think I will learn some punctuation, not too much. Enough to write to Uncle Harry. He needs some help. Okay, from this simple paragraph, we can see how many types of punctuation can you see.
Many. One.
One full stop, comma, exclamation, dash, and then apostrophe. Yeah, it's around 5, I think. Yeah, and then also for the capital letters.
17, yeah. I think 17 or 18.
Yeah, the type is 5, but the total 17. That's correct. Okay, and then yeah, from here we can see the sentence without punctuation, without capitalization will be wrong. Yeah, totally wrong. Even you create a correct sentence. Yeah, now that's why punctuation is needed. Yeah, and capitalization is a punctuation partners or friends. Gitu. Jadi nanti temennya itu ya. Oke, the first is period. Kita bahas satu-satu period. Period ini untuk apa aja sih? Ya. So the first, mark the end of sentence which is not a question or exclamation. Ya. So to mark the end of sentence ya, pasti kalau terakhir itu dikasih titik. Nah, kita sering mengabaikan, bahkan the teacher from kindergarten or elementary school, when the student didn't put the full stop, they just ignore. But I think this is a mistake. Ya. Jadi bahkan guru kadang-kadang mengabaikan ketika anak muridnya tidak menuliskan titik di akhir kalimat. Dan karena pembiaran ya, dibiarkan begitu akhirnya terus-menerus dianggap benar gitu kan. Sometimes ya. But when the teacher knows that you can put the full stop here, for example. Okay, why don't you put the full stop here, for example? So we can tell them, we can tell the students, we can, because sometimes, yeah, the student, they don't know about that. That's why we can tell the students about that. For example, Rome is the capital of Italy, yeah, so full stop. And then indicate an abbreviation, yeah. For example, I will arrive between 6 a.m. 7 a.m. Ya, AM ini kan sebuah singkatan ya, anti meridian. Kalau PM itu post meridian. Nah, ini kalau singkatannya AM itu tidak dipisah ya, itu terkadang salah gitu. And then ellipsis ya. He is always late, but you know how I feel about that. Yeah, it means that still continue. Yeah, so that's something to be given from that sentence. And then period after a single word. Yeah, for example, goodbye.
Bye.
And then periods in numbers. Yeah, period in numbers. For example, 10. We say point actually, but the punctuation is still titik gitu ya. $10.
How about tanda seru, sir?
43. Yeah, excuse me.
How about tanda seru?
Exclamation. Yeah, later we also tell about that. Okay. Next is comma. Yeah, comma. Series of independent clause. Yeah. So when we create a comma, it means we need to put them for the independent clause and dependent clause. Ya, still remember the type of sentence ya. Kalau kemarin kita bahas jenis kalimat, itu ada beberapa jenis kalimat. Simple sentence, compound sentence, compound complex sentence ya, and complex sentence. Nah, dari situ kita bisa membuat perbedaan koma. Ya, atau misalnya juga ada contoh kalimat pengandaian ya, conditional sentence. Conditional sentence also you have comma. I meet Harry, we went for a swim together, and afterward Harry went home. Nah, ini beberapa kejadian ya, a series of independent clauses. The second series of nouns ya. Kalau misalkan nouns-nya itu juga ada beberapa ya, ini bisa kita pisahkan. Jadi koma itu untuk memisahkan biasanya. Ya, for dinner I had soup, fish, chicken, dessert, and coffee. Yeah, for example. So you can separate some nouns with comma. Dipisahkan dengan koma. A series of adjective. Nah, adjective juga biasanya itu ada urutannya, ya. Contoh saja di sini misalnya. She was young, beautiful, kind, and intelligent. Ya. So it is also separated one by one. Jadi nggak kecuali gini ya, misalkan young beautiful man, ini beda lagi misalnya. Tapi kalau dia kan young, beautiful, kind, and intelligent, ya, for example. A series of verbs, ya, bisa juga dengan beberapa pemisah pekerjaan atau kata kerja, ya. Tony ran towards me, fell, yelled, and fainted. Ya, ini contoh kalimatnya. Jadi beberapa kejadian dan juga dipisahkan dengan koma. Kebetulan verb di sininya ya. Jadi fell, yelled, and fainted. Okay, and then next, a series of phrases. Yeah, for example, the car smashed into the wall, flipped onto its roof, slid along the road, and finally stopped against a tree. So the accident of the car smash, yeah, because you have many phrases, so you can use comma for this type of sentence. And then she's also ends closing details, ya. My friend, nah, biasanya ada kalau di TOEFL itu what we call that subject, ya, subject addition subject, ya. My friend Jim likes to go scuba diving. Jadi my friend di sini menegaskan Jim, ya. Jadi subjeknya tetap Jim sebenarnya, tetapi menggunakan enclosing details. Okay, I will close first the Zoom and then join again at the same link. Yeah, wait a minute. Yeah, you can join again for the same link. Okay, so I will close. Yeah, 1, 2, 3.